kiss skin golden, fragrance by ocean. The present is pleasant, time stands still frozen. The bottom too hot to handle. Many promises but no guarantees. Just see to believe all that I can be. I see the way you move, rhythm talks and you listen.
Hey beauties, thanks for stopping by my channel. Welcome or welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Joanna, and today I have a wig that I want to share with all of you, and it is Isabella from Outre's Melted Hairline collection. Now some people say Outre, some people say Outre. I just say Outre, and this is Isabella, and I have it in the color DR Red Velvet. Now if you don't know about this Melted Hairline collection, I think you should know already if you wear wigs and if you love wigs as much as I do. But some of the specs are: it has HD transparent lace, it has a frontal hairline effect, it comes with baby hairs, it also has a pre-attached wide elastic band, and it also has comfort fit ear contour. And all of the stock cards pretty much look the same for these units. And this is the color. Now this is a lot fuller than I thought it was going to be. It's nice and soft. It's a nice yaki texture. And the way that this cap is constructed, it's like a T-part lace construction. So you can only part it in the middle, and it comes with 2 combs, and it also has the elastic band. It has a comb in the back with the elastic straps. So what I have on is Chorus Kamaya. This was one of the most popular units from out of this line, and I want to suggest that if you do purchase any of these units from this line, to get about 2 or 3 and just don't wait, because they sell out pretty quick and it does take time to restock. So thanks so much for stopping by. If you made it this far, I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss when I post new videos. And keep watching to see how this unit turns out. I'm just not a fan of this texture. Like, I've had, you know, units with similar texture, but they were never like this full. I do remember Bobby Boss Juba was a middle part bob that I reviewed a while back, and it was a yaki texture, but I don't remember if it was, I don't think it was this full. I don't know. Let me know what you think below in the comments. I don't know. I mean, I like it because of the color, and like, I love a good bob. You know, I do like the way that it's cut. It's like, it's blunt, but it's still sort of like layered almost. Like, it gives it movement towards the ends. I don't know if you could see it. Maybe I'm just, I don't know. I don't know. I'm really not feeling this one. And I try not to watch too many reviews on a unit that I plan on, you know, reviewing or trying on. I just don't want to be influenced by other people's opinions and thoughts. So I really didn't see any, you know, videos on like how full this was. Like, even on the model, it looks like there's some texture, but just not this much. And maybe because it's colored, maybe that's why it's more full. It's really full, especially on the ends. I don't know. I'm just not feeling this. I'm just not. I'm just going to keep going and see how I feel. I'm back and I've done all that I wanted to do to the hairline on this unit. And far as styling, I only just laid down this side right here all the way to the ear tabs. I think it looks pretty good. And this side I just left it as is because I'm going to be taking this off soon. I'm just really not feeling this one. Like, I love the color, I love the cut and the style, I love the parting space, I love how flat it lays at the top, and I like this area right here. But just overall, I'm just not feeling it. I think it has to do with the texture and just how full it is on my face. I just don't think it looks right on my head and on my face. Since my head is so small, I think it's just a bit too much hair for me. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I'm just not feeling this. It was quite hard trying to blend the lace. I don't know if you can tell if there is still like that halo going across. And like in natural light I can see the halo, but and just indoors you don't see it. And like when you go outside, you definitely don't want to have that like white cast or halo look, because that's like a dead giveaway. But I really don't know anything else to say about this unit. I'm just not feeling it, and like this is a first in a while of me really not liking a unit. But as I said, let me know in the comments what you think, because I really don't have much to say about this unit because I really don't like it. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. I'm going to respond. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And thanks so much for stopping by. See ya.